Need to save only certain pages from a large PDF. PDFsam Basic makes it easy to extract specific pages into a new document without editing the original file. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to extract PDF pages using PDFsam Basic in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch PDFsam Basic from your desktop or Start menu. Once the application opens, you'll see several PDF tools on the main dashboard. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Extract tool. Click the Extract option to open its workspace. This is where you'll load your PDF and choose which pages you'd like to save. The layout is straightforward, so you can start working right away. Next, click Add to Browse for your PDF file, or simply drag and drop it into the application. Once the file is loaded, you'll be ready to specify the pages you want to extract. Now enter the page numbers or page ranges you want to extract. For example, you can enter a single page, multiple individual pages, or a range of consecutive pages. Double-check the page numbers before continuing to avoid creating the wrong document. Select where you'd like the new PDF to be saved. You can keep the default location or choose another folder that's easier to access. Giving the extracted PDF a descriptive file name can make it much easier to find later. Finally, click the Run button to begin the extraction process. PDFsam Basic will create a new PDF containing only the pages you selected. So once it's finished, open the new PDF and confirm that all the correct pages were extracted. And that's how to extract PDF pages using PDFsam Basic. With just a few clicks, you can create a new PDF containing only the pages you need while leaving the original document unchanged. I mean, it's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time when working with large PDF files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.